Hey stylists, have you ever felt like you were limited by hand-tied extensions when really you just wanted to place something in a specific spot for your guest? I'm going to show you why you don't have to be afraid of hand-tied extensions anymore. Okay, so my client here actually has great density. So you can see in the back, super thick hair, lots of volume and fullness. However, let me show you what problem we were trying to correct. Right here in the front, her hair has been broken off, just over coloring and things like that. So you can see there's really this shelf right here. Now, traditionally, I have heard this said so many times, stylists will say, well, I can't do hand-tied extensions. We're gonna have to fill it in with tape-ins or keratin bonds or I-tips, something like that, because we can only put something right here. You guys, hand-tied extensions do not have to be an entire row if you're using IBE. So there's a difference here, and I want to show you exactly what I did to connect this disconnect using IBE. Now I'm holding it right here in my hand. This is all I used, was just a short, what we like to call a mini row. So let me show you, expose her secret of what she has right here. Just I mean, how big is this? 2.5 inches of a panel right here to really connect this disconnect that she had from breakage, so that when I drop this, now you can see there's no gap like she had before. And the reason we can do this with IBE is because the way that our foundation is placed. There are a lot of different hand-tied methods, we know that, and a lot of them are going to have what I kind of call like a skip and anchor method, which makes it so you can't do a short piece like this. But the way that the IBE foundation is created is it's a continual base that goes all the way along her scalp line. And so this way you have that nice strong foundation that you can do these small pieces to just strategize where you need to fill something in. You could move around a scar, you could move around somewhere where there is alopecia or something like that because of the way the foundation is placed. Now you guys might be going, well, she looks grown up. She is, okay? This is 5 weeks after install. So what I want to really show you is she still has the ability to flip this up in a ponytail, and she often does. This is something for her also that she likes to wear her hair, you know, half up or back like this, and you can do that really easily and not have to worry about anything showing in the back because she doesn't have that continual row. She hasn't committed to a full head of extensions. And again, just utilizing this to fill in. She also likes to do a style where she likes to split it down the back and do braids or high buns, anything like that, which again, she's able to do because she doesn't have that full row. Thanks to IBE, we did that short panel in the front. Really, really nice to be able to fill in and spot check for your guests and customize it for them. You don't want to be stuck doing just one entire row of hand-tied extensions. Again, like we said, a lot of guests don't want that. They don't need that. As a stylist, you want to be a solutionist and offer a type of extension that you can really just address the problem, hit it head on, and give them the hair of their dreams.